What's up, guys? Welcome to my first ever video on YouTube. I started playing FIFA since 2 years, I guess. I played FIFA 15, 16, and this is my third year playing it. Um, I'm doing a pack opening today. I I waited 2 days to get all these packs. I started once again because of the storage problems. And yeah, let's get started, I guess. So this is the first pack which is the drills pack. I'm gonna get a free player. Yeah, just go ahead and update my team. Let's open these two daily player packs. Oh, we get a goalkeeper. That's not bad, but he's a bronze, so court. Well, who the hell is this? I mean, we get nonsense players. This is the level up pack. It will give us a free silver player. Yes, Kimber. Let's open the sibling pack. I just really want to thank China for these events they got us, and the coins they are rising our coins. So we get Khedera, which is Sami Khedera's brother. Not bad. Let's open the level up pack, the gold one. We get a gold player in this. Say he. Alright. Let's start with the lucky coin. Our goal in here is to get an elite lucky coin, because I'm seeing people that are getting more than 800k, more than 50k, and I get just 59, 99, 88, and 77 coins. Oh, silver again. So EA gave us a free silver player, which is Klassen. Yes, he's an 85 rated. He's unfortunately untradeable. We get two. Oh, we will get a fortune token and a lucky coin. That Lunan Master Lukaku. Yes, he takes so long. I think he's extinct. Oh my god! Give us a golden or an elite. Everybody has his highest rating in attacking and midfielding and defending. They have the defending. They say it's the easiest, but it's the hardest for me. Oh my god, these are bad. These packs are bad. Oh, again, silvers. I'm excited to see what's in the new inform players. Just don't give me these silvers. God damn it. Yeah, silver again. Oh, it's a gold. Not bad. But we need an elite. Can we get this? 3, 2, 1, boom! Oh my god. So we will open the Road to Riches pack. It's taking too long. Sorry guys, I'm just a starter in YouTube and I don't really know how to edit and I'm just gonna work on it in the coming days. So please subscribe, like, and we get 750 coins. Well, I'll just open this 85 class and pack because I know what's in it. Yeah, let's go on ahead and update my team. 63 midfield. We're opening the pro pack as I got it in the first of the game. Oh my god, yes! Yes, that's amazing! Thank you, thank you. Jesus, that's very good. 76 upgraded Impact Bakayoko. Now the Champions Pack, Portugal Cup. Oh no, they are not selling for a good amount of price. Sorry for my voice. I just woke up and I'm really tired. I'm sick. Let's open this clean sweep pack. It costed me 5 energies. Yeah. Oh my God! Fortunes. Yes. Oh my God! These are bad. Let's open the inform packs. Who the? Who's this? He's from Leipzig. Oh, he's Halstenberg. I used him once. I didn't really like him. Oh my, no. We got him again. This is bad. I wasted 40 energies to get 2 informed player packs and I got 74 rated left back Halstenberg. And we get, oh my God, that's so bad. At least we get Bakayoko. Let's see for how much they sell. Oh, of course. I never got more than 777 coins. This is my highest goal I reached to. Oh my God, that's bad. At least we get Bakayoko. I mean, he's not that bad, but we could have got better than Bakayoko. Alright. Let's check Halstenberg's price. He's Halstenberg. Yes, he's a left back, 74. What? Oh my God. He's 2K. He is 2K. That's bad. It's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and list him for 1.8K. Yes. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.